And that is our Garibaldi. Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Jamison, and this is how I cook. This is Mixology Monday, and I'm gonna show you a cocktail that I make at home called the Garibaldi. This cocktail is an Italian cocktail that is composed of Campari and orange juice. But I don't have Campari at home, and so I saw a recipe on Grand Marnier's Instagram page that I adapted with Aperol, and I'm going to show you my Garibaldi up next. Here are our ingredients. Before we get too far into this episode, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. In a Garibaldi, traditionally, Campari is used to flavor the cocktail. I don't have Campari in my bar currently, so I have some Aperol, and the base spirit is going to be Grand Marnier. Also, we're going to use the juice of a whole navel orange. It's a fairly large orange. And we're also going to use half the juice of a lemon. We're going to shake it over ice and then serve it in a highball glass over ice. So we start with a shaker full of ice. We're going to put in 1.25 parts of Grand Marnier. Next, we're going to put in 3/4 part of Aperol. Juice of a whole orange. Get that a good squeeze. You can use orange juice, but fresh orange juice is better. Fresh from the orange. You get the oils from the rind as well. And last, we're going to put in half the juice of half a lemon. We want to give our cocktail a vigorous shake. We want to get plenty of dilution in the cocktail to help balance out the flavors. Lastly, pour this into our glass. And that is our Garibaldi. All right, guys, here's the taste test. Oh, man. Oh, it's refreshing. Really heavy on the orange notes, but they're very balanced. They're not tart, they're not too sweet, they're not bitter. It's a perfectly balanced, refreshing cocktail featuring orange notes across the spectrum of orange flavor. And the lemon helps mute some of those flavors and enhance them a little bit so that they're not out of balance. This is a wonderful cocktail. I hope you guys will try this. My version, my take on a Garibaldi, inspired by the Garibaldier from Grand Marnier off of their website, actually off of their Instagram. So guys, have a cocktail, have a drink on me, have a drink with me, do me a favor, hit that subscription button, turn on those notifications, and I'm gonna finish up this glass of Garibaldi. Delicious.